So good morning, class 8 children. After completing worksheet number 35, we'll continue to the next worksheet number 36 of chapter 18, pollution of air and water. So as first question is, tick the most appropriate answer. Question number 1 is in front of you. This gas is responsible for depletion of ozone layer, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. So kindly raise hand.
Ma'am,
Those who know the answer, kindly
Ma'am.
raise hand. Raise hand. Raise hand. So yes, switch on your cameras, Harshit, Ansh. Yes, Geet, give the answer. Which gas is responsible?
Ma'am, option D, chlorofluorocarbons.
Harshit Tyagi, according to you, what is the right answer?
Ma'am, option A, nitrogen.
Okay. Harshit Singh, you also tell then.
Ma'am, CFC chlorofluorocarbons.
Okay. Sarthak Sehgal, what you say?
Ma'am, chlorofluorocarbons.
Yes, chlorofluorocarbon. D option is the right for this depletion of ozone layer. Next is Kyoto Protocol is an agreement among countries to make steps for plantation trees, Aryan Shinde, to protect wildlife, to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, or all of these you can say. Yes, tell me.
Agreement among countries to take steps to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases.
So C option is correct for it. Next, which of the following are the greenhouse gases? Options are in front of you. 1, 2, methane, 3, carbon dioxide, 4th, nitrous acid. But you have to give the reasons out of it. A, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, can I
All
tell?
of these. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, water vapor.
Beta, options are here. These are the options.
Ma'am,
Options are here.
ma'am first. Ma'am first.
Okay, Harshit Singh, give the answer.
Ma'am, methane
Ma'am.
and carbon dioxide.
So, beta, according, I need the option.
Ma'am, all of these.
कौन सा option
Ma'am,
correct?
all of these. D.
Okay. According to you, D is correct. According to Harshit, second is correct.
Ma'am,
Geet, Geet, what you say?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C is correct. How water vapor you are saying? Water vapor are not the greenhouse gases. Option C is correct. Methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide.
Ma'am, but in book it's given.
What's given?
Methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor are also also contribute towards greenhouse gases.
Water vapor, so I don't know it will be included. Let me check it. We'll confirm it. Number 4. Which of the following is a natural source of pollution? Mining, volcanic, forest fire. So, natural source of pollution. What causes naturally? Harshit Tyagi, you have raised hand.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, both B and C.
Both B and C. So means according to you, D option is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So both B and C are correct. Volcanic eruption, it occur naturally. It as well as a forest fire, it also occur naturally. Number 5. What is a harmful effect of depletion of Earth's ozone layer? So there is a Earth's ozone layer is depleting. What can be the reason? Average temperature of the Earth's surface will decrease. Oxygen content of the atmosphere will increase. Increased amount of ultraviolet radiations will reach Earth's surface. Sea levels will go down as the polar ice caps will gradually melt. So if the Earth's ozone layer is going to be depleted, then what will be the effect? Rest also can try. Harshit Singh, give the answer. Rest can also raise hand.
Ma'am, option C, increased amount of ultraviolet radiation will reach Earth's surface.
Okay, fine. Harshit Tyagi, what you say? For
Ma'am,
number 5.
the average of temperature of Earth surface will decrease gradually.
आप कौन सा ऑप्शन बोल रहे हो? फर्स्ट वाला?
A.
ओके, गीत Yes, Geet, give the answer of number 5.
Ma'am, option C, increased amount of ultraviolet radiation will reach.
Okay, Harshita, what you say?
Ma'am, answer C, increased amount of ultraviolet radiation which will reach Earth's surface.
Okay, beta, if the ozone layer will be depleted, so first effect will be that ultraviolet radiations will be reaching the earth. So I think till here everybody has done. Number 5. Now go for the next question. Which of the following is a source of water pollution? So kindly see to it. Which of the following is a source of water pollution? Agriculture waste, domestic, industrial waste, or all of these? What do you say?
All of these.
So yes, all of these are the responsible for the water pollution. Next is B part. Complete the following statements using appropriate words. Vehicles produce high levels of pollutants like carbon monoxide, dash and
Ma'am,
dash.
carbon dioxide.
Yes, tell Ansh Sarthak Singh Rao. What do you
Ma'am,
are saying?
carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur
Ma'am,
oxide.
nitrous oxide.
ओके उसके बाद क्या भरेंगे कार्बन मोनोक्साइड इज अ डैश गैस
Ma'am, greenhouse
Dangerous.
gas.
पॉइजनस बेटा
And
दिस
green-
पैराग्राफ इज गिवन इन योर बुक कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और क्या क्या बोल रहे हो क्या क्या फॉर्म होते हैं
Ma'am, methane.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide, methane,
Nitrogen oxide.
nitrous oxide.
और मीथेन में बेटा बी ई डाल देना साथ में
Ma'am, nitrous oxide.
मैम लेकिन बुक में तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड एंड स्मोक दिया है
ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम
मीथेन
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिखेंगे इसकी जगह पे कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड बेटा नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड यहाँ आएगा ठीक है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज अ आफ्टर दैट आएगा पॉइजनस is a poisonous gas it
reduce
no it dash mixes
it reduces oxygen carrying
yes it not
capacity of blood
mixes it reduces next मैंने पैराग्राफ पढ़ा नहीं है it reduces it reduces
After nitrogen oxide, what is there?
continue with the next number 2 many industries also responsible for causing air pollution dash are a major source
petroleum refineries
of yes petroleum refineries
gaseous pollutant
petroleum refinery are a major source of
gaseous pollutants
air pollutants like dash and dash
sulfur dioxide nitrogen dioxide
Ma'am, nitrous oxide.
sulfur dioxide and
nitrogen dioxide
nitrogen dioxide. So next, let's move to the next part. Correct and rewrite the following statements. So first of all, let's see what is the wrong one out. Carbon monoxide is produced by complete combustion of fuel like coal, petrol, diesel, etc.
Incomplete combustion.
Okay, children, either two can be changed. Either you can change incomplete combustion या फिर आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को चेंज कर सकते हो. सो कंप्लीट वर्ड की जगह पे आएगा इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन. एनी ऑफ incomplete. Next, soft water is also called drinking water. Is it? What do you
Potable
say?
water.
Which water? Which water is suitable? Is called a drinking water.
Ma'am, potable water is called
Okay.
a drinking
So
water.
instead of soft, you can write down potable water. Kindly mute yourself. Water used for washing can't be reused. Is it?
Ma'am, can be reused.
So instead of can't, you can be write down can be. Can be used. Okay. So till here, next question number D part is match column A with B. Undesirable substances in air are known as
Ma'am, pollutant.
pollutant. Next, marsh gas. Marsh gas. What can you say for the marsh gas?
Ma'am, methane.
Methane is known as a marsh gas. Next is purification of water.
Ma'am, chlorination. Chlorination.
Chlorination. Okay. Excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers. If we are using the excessive amount of fertilizers and pesticides, alga bloom is there. Alga will increase in the ponds. That is known as alga bloom. Acid rain.
Ma'am, sulfur oxide.
Sulfur dioxide, ma'am.
Dioxide. Next is alga bloom.
Ma'am, biological oxygen.
Biological oxygen demand. In this case, the demand of oxygen is decreases. Demand of oxygen decreases. Till here, everybody has done. Next comes the question answers. The quality of air at various locations is monitored regularly by government and other agencies. In what way this data can be used? You know, we are getting the AQI index. आपको पता है? Air quality index.
Yes, ma'am.
Every day
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
getting. That's why we come to know that pollution is much or pollution is low. So, and who is doing it? Regularly, the government and other agencies are monitoring it. So, why, in what way we are using this data? हम कहाँ पे use कर रहे हैं इस data को?
Ma'am, this data is being used in cities where the high level of pollution is there. Government is thinking how to reduce pollution in that cities.
Okay. So government is anybody else wants to give the answer? Kindly raise hand. E part we are talking about. E part question number 1. Sarthak Singh.
Ma'am, to reduce pollution.
Okay, the government has to take few steps to reduce pollution. Once the government or the agencies are knowing the water level, air pollution level in particular country, so they are making much of the efforts to reduce air pollution. Anything else? So kindly write down the answer yourself. So they are using the data to reduce air pollution or to finding something different or finding the different ways to reduce pollution. Harshit Tyagi, camera is off. Not able to see you. Priya Pandey. Samrit, so many times I told you. Harshit Singh. Shaurya Dondial, Monali, Naman. I hope you have written the answer of this question. Next is, what do you mean by marble cancer?
Ma'am, the corrosion of marble is known as marble cancer.
Okay, Harshita, you have raised hand. Okay, Sarthak.
Ma'am, marble cancer suspended particulate matter such as soot particles emanated by Mathura oil refinery.
No. No, no, no. Anybody else? Geet, marble cancer.
Ma'am, corrosion of marble by acid rain is known as marble cancer.
Yes, simply corrosion of marble is known as marble cancer. That's it. Due to the acid rain, you have read, the marble is going to be corroded. It's not only the color which is going to be affected, but it's also getting corroded. So this is known as a simply marble cancer. Kindly write down the correct definition of it. Corrosion of marble by acid rain. Corrosion of marble by acid rain. Next, how is smoke dangerous? Harshit,
Ma'am, the smoke is very dangerous because it is made up of many dangerous gases like
Ma'am, smoke,
carbon monoxide and many greenhouse gases.
ma'am,
like,
smoke is
carbon
dangerous
dioxide.
because it is made of smoke plus fog.
Okay. So, beta, I need one or two lines more. First of all, you can write down that smog. Smog is equal to smoke plus fog. सबसे पहले तो आप ये लिख सकते हैं. Smog is equal to smoke plus fog. Okay. Now you can tell how it is dangerous.
Ma'am, because it increases the risk of lung and heart diseases.
Okay.
And
Anybody
breathing
else?
problem.
Okay, fine. You are saying about the breathing problem increases, respiratory diseases increases. Anything else?
Ma'am, it have greenhouse gases.
So that is in the smoke. Smoke, आपको पता है ये smoke तो already contains different gases are there in the smoke. What can other reason for it? Having any idea?
It has harmful pollutants.
Harmful?
Pollutants.
Okay. It contains harmful pollutants, reduce the visibility. It also reduces the visibility. Kindly write down. Fog when plus smoke, they reduces the visibility. And you know, just like it contains many harmful gases. Next, number 4, question number. Ganga at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh has one of the most polluted stretches of the river. What are the various causes of pollution of Ganga being the highest at the Kanpur? So Ganga river at Kanpur is at the highest risk that it is most polluted river, especially in that stretch. So what can be the reason? Children, this question may be in one, it can be start from 2 marks till 5 marks. It can be in more explanation. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal, what you, and various causes has been asked, so better to give the answer in points. That will be the better option. Give one option, one answer. Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, many Hindu rituals are are done in Ganga, and in Kanpur is one of the major Hindu cities. That's why it's more polluted than compared to others,
Okay.
other states of it.
Okay, fine. So first point is done that many Hindu rituals are done in the Ganga river. Yes, Sarthak Singh Rao.
Many people bath in the river.
Okay, fine. Bathing and washing of clothes is done. Sarthak Singh Rao.
Ma'am, many industries are set up in near in the banks of Ganga River.
And they used to throw the waste of their factories, industrial area into the rivers. That's why it gets polluted. Okay, any other reason? Especially it has been, we are talking about this Kanpur place.
Ma'am, can I add one point?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is because has a large number of tanneries.
Large number of
Tanneries.
refineries. Okay, this may be the reason for it.
Ma'am,
Refineries.
ma'am, the idols of god and goddesses are thrown in the
Thrown into the river
river.
directly. Any other reason? Any other point is left? Yes, beta, speak. Geet, bolo.
Ma'am, people throw non-biodegradable waste in the river.
Yes, they used to throw the garbage or the non-biodegradable waste directly into the rivers instead of giving it to the or throwing it into the proper place. They are throwing it into the river. So kindly, children, this question may be in 5 marks even. So write the answer in points. So with this, your worksheet is over. Kindly write down the answer in points. And tomorrow we'll continue with the next sample paper. Okay.